lives. Save your lives. The blood moon has come. Do what you want. Save your lives.
Well, at least I'm not eating kitty litter.
Huh? Ew! Mom! I got confused, okay? Everything was in black and white at the supermarket.
This is the President of the United States speaking. Unite with your families as this is your last moment. Only a few minutes remain till blood moon takes over. Shootings will be going on in every single city, as anybody can break a crime for now. And this is their last moments. God bless America. God bless you all.
A civil emergency message has been issued for the state of Georgia beginning at 10:45 p.m. Tuesday and ending at 11:45 a.m. Friday. This alert is related to the current situation known as the blood moon. This is not a drill. The blood moon is here and is taking over. Take shelter now.
Instantly stopping the
This is an immediate evacuation for the state of Florida. This is in response of the situation called the blood moon. All residents must evacuate or shelter in place. Do not look up at the moon.